Oh my god,
I-
you took a bitch.
But this is
Don't forget to subscribe to the Amit Maki Vlogs and click on the bell icon for the latest updates.
Alright, so before I head off from here, I got a project that needs to be done. Let me just disclose the project to you. It's for Godrej, which is located in South Delhi, so I need to complete that. Then I have another project in Noida, and after that, I am leaving. And basically today I'm accompanied with one of my friends. She is coming with me for the project itself, and we are gonna go together to Uttarakhand, of course, for the project itself. And yes, so that is it. And quickly I need to head because I am behind schedule. It's almost about to be 10 and she has already reached Crown Plaza. Just have a look at this chaos over here, man. This is a struggle over here. That's why I hate to drive car. Whenever I go anywhere, that's the main reason that I don't take car. But this is now, of course, I'm going with someone, so that's the main reason that I'm going in the car. Else I just try to travel on my motorcycle, which is the best solution for long distance, either in the city, whatsoever. So I'm just about to reach my destination, I believe in a couple of minutes now, and the time already is 10:25, a lot behind schedule. But then I know that Priyanka is covering up for me and she is basically dealing with the stuff and everything. So hopefully everything should go according to plan. So that is where I'm supposed to go over there that you see. That is my destination for today. Right now, I mean like now, I got my project over there. I'm at the location right now, so let me get inside Crown Plaza and I'm gonna catch up with you guys in the next shot, hopefully, once the project is done, or maybe somewhere in between. I got no idea, so let's just keep going with the flow. I gotta begin with my work today, and we're just gonna get the process started. The project shoot is supposed to happen in Crown Plaza because the Godrej, they have their office set up in Crown Plaza itself, which is quite strange, and it's on the 9th floor.
we've left from Noida.
अपने आप को पहले इंट्रोड्यूस तो कराओ.
5:30. I am
शक्ल तो दिखा दो.
Ahmed friend and
शक्ल तो दिखा दो.
शक्ल भी दिखा दूंगी.
हाँ.
इतनी जल्दी थोड़ी. Suspense.
Suspense.
And companion for the trip. My name is Priyanka and I have Ahmed who is driving.
Yo yo yo.
And right now we are driving at a speed of what, 65 or 70, but we have just started our journey after finishing a project that
उल्टा तो बात कर लो.
okay, I hope I look good. Yeah, so we have just finished our project. Basically Ahmed was working on it and I was just passing my time by probably finishing my office work.
हमने जो पहले वाला किया था.
That was in the morning where we worked together, and I reached on time for the first time, and he reached on the time at the time that he usually is. Like he's usually an hour late, but the thing was that everybody was an hour late.
Okay.
So there was no point of me being early. Yeah. So I just waited for all these people and then we started. We ended at what? 4?
कहाँ से वहाँ से?
Yeah?
No, I think 2:30.
Oh, okay. So we finished that project at 2:30, which was in South Delhi.
Yep.
Then we came to Noida. We finished, we started at 3. We finished it at 5:30. And then we have just left. So it's I think 5:45.
Nainital.
Yes, we have left for
Uttarakhand.
Nainital. The plan was to go to Ranikhet today, but that was plan A. But yeah,
Plan B.
unfortunately,
Plan B.
yeah, unfortunately we cannot go there right now because it's already dark, and I want to be safe, even though I have full faith in Ahmed. But I want to be safe. I love myself and I love my life. So we will stay in Nainital for a night, and then early morning, right?
Yes.
Early morning
By
we
6
will,
a.m.
yeah. Early morning we will move towards Ranikhet.
Yes.
And Ahmed is the only driver here. I don't know how to drive, so fingers crossed. I hope ऐसा कुछ ना हो कि मुझे drive करना पड़े.
नहीं होगा भी नहीं.
Yeah, and now I just want to have tea. That's it. What do you want to have?
Hopefully tea. Break ले लेंगे ना? We'll
yeah,
take a break.
but Ahmed ने कुछ नहीं खाया है. Like मैंने उसे कॉर्न भी दिए थे, उसने नहीं खाए properly. So I finished
थोड़ा
them.
खट्टा होना था यार. मुझे
अरे
थोड़ा
but you
वो लगा.
cannot have khatta in
That's
corn
not
because if you're traveling since morning, I was already traveling ना. या तो you have
थोड़ा
it
सा मुझे
immediately.
मीठा ज़्यादा लगा. So I was like,
Yeah, but either you have it immediately, or if you are traveling and you're packing your food, then you can't put khatta vatta in it. वो खराब हो जाता है फिर.
oh,
So that's how it is.
okay.
Anyway, so ये नोएडा की सुंदर रोड्स हैं
जो दिल्ली में नहीं है.
जो दिल्ली में नहीं मिलती, नहीं दिखने को मिलती. Yeah, मेरी हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों ही पुअर है. Bear with me. और यूजुअली जो कैमरा के पीछे होता है, आज जो कैमरा के आगे है, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
But इनको तो पता ही है कि मैं कैमरा के आगे ही होता हूँ हमेशा. I mean, for the
Yeah.
work, it's behind the camera, but
But for your personal work,
it's always in front of the camera.
yeah. So today I am the cameraman.
Yes, you are.
Or for this journey, I am the cameraman. Although Ahmed asked me, will you be comfortable in front of the camera for this trip? And I said yes. I said yes. But I am going to be behind the camera.
No. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा. You
ऐसा तो
will
नहीं
be in the,
होगा.
I mean, like,
Yeah.
you will be in the.
I will make sure I am
Definitely.
equally in the camera. We have crossed Noida.
We are on the
We are
Eastern
outside,
Peripheral Expressway.
Okay.
So it's going to take us about I don't know 4.5 नहीं 5 घंटे 5 घंटे. So it's going to take us a while to get there, but I think we can get it done.
Yeah. All right. So we are trying to find a petrol pump because we are running on reserve. Because Ahmed is very smart, so he
गलती
thought कि
हो गया.
आगे से भरवा लेंगे, कहीं से
But I
भरवा
didn't know कि
लेंगे.
मतलब इतना दूर होगा यार. मतलब
Yeah.
seriously, this is
So fingers crossed, but hopefully.
11 minutes.
Yeah, it's now 11 minutes, but when I was searching, I was like, it's so far.
200 किलोमीटर.
Yeah, 200 किलोमीटर मुझे दिख रहा था, 200 किलोमीटर. But Ahmed somehow sees the same one that I found. मैं तेरे को बोलती रही थी, it's on the curve. So we have finally found one. I think it's Bharat Petroleum Pump.
Hopefully.
Yeah, that's the one. And let's see. Hopefully we will reach there before we run out of petrol.
Yes.
We will. So
क्या हो रहा है
अभी हम
भैया?
कहाँ पर हैं?
टोल
ये
पे
क्या
हैं. पता
अभी
नहीं
हम
ये
टोल
कौन
पर
सा.
हैं.
Oh, cash. Fast tag only.
They are saying cash only.
नहीं, that's cash only. This is fast tag only. cash है, but
You just said you had $500 and then you gave it to that guy.
नहीं,
अच्छा,
वो मैंने वापस ले
you
लिया.
didn't. ठीक है.
हम्म.
Yeah. So we have cash.
हो गया भैया.
Okay. हो गया.
Done.
Haha.
Done.
Done.
Yes.
Okay. Guys, finally हमको पेट्रोल पंप मिल गया. Yay! And we took the wrong route, and we thought that we are screwed completely, but
बच गए.
बच गए. Now the plan is to get it full, so that because it's already dark, so we do not want to be in trouble anymore. So we will ask them to fill the tank.
Yes.
Okay, so we are somewhere near Rampur Road, but we don't know exactly where we are. So people who follow Ahmed might know that he loves to, drive through his bike. But today, because of me, he had to take his car and he is now driving the car. So how's your experience driving the car?
As usual, नींद ही आ रहा है मुझे.
नींद आ रहा है उसको, but he
I'm
a
actually,
decent driver.
मतलब मुझे comfort zone में जा रहा हूँ मैं, मतलब
Yeah.
it's kind of like relax वगैरह ना, so because of that.
Yeah, but on the bike it's more adventurous for
It's
him.
like, you know, I just want to overtake you, I can just zip zap and go.
Yeah, but now that he's driving car, he is. I think he's a pretty decent driver, and he's being very safe. He is taking care of, you know, all the stops and red lights, and how smooth he should drive, and about the speed as well. Baby, I'm your slave. It's 10:20 p.m. right now, and we are still in UP. We are, I think, 20 minutes away from the
Border.
Uttarakhand border.
Mm-hmm.
The problem is that right now the government has, you know, restricted the entrance of people living outside Uttarakhand. If you want to enter the border, you need to have that COVID negative test done, which we haven't got done.
Yes.
Because
Time ही था.
time नहीं
We
था.
didn't have time, yes.
Yeah, and also because for the work that we are going, they said, you know, it's possible, you know, you
वो
can
तो ऐसे
come.
कह रहे कि कोई बात नहीं, आप
आ जाओ.
पहले वाले देख लेंगे फॉर्मूला, अगर ये नहीं चला तो दूसरा फॉर्मूला ट्राई कर लेंगे.
मतलब they are saying that, you know, we will come to pick you up, but the thing is that we are a little scared, and especially me, I don't know about him.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं क्या बोलूँगा यार, मतलब वो बोल रहे कि आप बता देना कि रामपुर से आए
So
तो
this guy-
पंडित जी से मिलने जा रहे हैं. अरे पंडित जी कौन है भाई? ना पंडित जी
Yeah.
वगैरह.
So this guy who lives in Uttarakhand only told us that, you know,
The host actually.
Said that just go to the border
Mhm.
and tell the policeman that you know, you're coming from where? Rampur. You're coming from Rampur and you want to meet Pandit ji. We don't know who Pandit ji, कौन Pandit ji, कैसे Pandit ji, कहाँ
किसके
के
पंडित
Pandit ji. We have no idea where he lives. We have no idea. Just tell this to him and फिर मेरी बात करवा देना. अब he's talking like इनके ही चाचा विधायक के टाइप. He's talking like this, but
मुझे लग रहा है कि वहाँ पे पुलिस थप्पड़ ना मारे पंडित जी का बेबी.
like yeah, और हमें गाड़ी में ही ना सोना पड़ जाए, ऐसा ना हो कुछ. So I hope not.
नहीं भाई,
That
then he's
would
like
happen.
दूसरा वाला फॉर्मूला ट्राई कर लेंगे.
दूसरा वाला फॉर्मूला we don't know.
I don't know what exactly is that formula now.
Yeah. So हम ये बहुत ही घटिया टेक्निक अप्लाई करने वाले हैं, and if it works, then you know, for future you can also use it. Just tell the
Please, you know,
police.
पंडित जी नहीं बोलना.
No, if it works, why not? If it works, you can tell कि पंडित जी के यहाँ जा रहे हैं. So
हाँ.
पंडित जी seems like quite famous personality in Uttarakhand.
देख लेंगे कौन है पंडित.
देख लेंगे कौन है.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah, that's about it, and that's how our roads look like. I
Very
mean,
narrow roads.
It's very narrow and it's too dark. And I think ये जो आगे गाड़ी चल रही है किसी पुलिस
Police.
की है या आर्मी की है.
नहीं पुलिस की है, SHO
पुलिस.
लिखा हुआ है.
Something very interesting happened. So we were very scared कि how we gonna cross the borders because of the
Exactly.
COVID-19 thing, and especially दिल्ली वाले को तो चाहिए आपको टेस्ट करवा के आना चाहिए. तो somehow I don't know, we crossed the borders and the police was sleeping on the border and we crossed it.
True.
So I mean, if you want to come to Uttarakhand, you are welcome.
During
Because,
at least the night hours. right?
During the night hours.
Yeah.
And I hope we have crossed the borders.
Yes, I mean like जहाँ पे
And
मैं देख रहा
आगे-
हूँ, मैं उत्तराखंड ही देख रहा हूँ.
Yeah, and हमें अब दूर दूर तक हमें कुछ ऐसा दिख नहीं रहा है, हमें बस एक रोड है. Okay, so the another story is that we saw a दिल्ली की गाड़ी,
हाँ.
and we thought, okay, let's just follow this guy because he is also going on the same direction as we are, and ये direction तो मतलब उत्तराखंड ही जाता है. And we followed him. We literally chased him. We chased him. Yeah.
चेक पोस्ट पे मैं तो कूद ही गया.
We chased him and we thought कि अगर पकड़े जाएंगे तो साथ में पकड़े जाएंगे और बोलेंगे दिल्ली 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 जो भी है मतलब. बट बॉर्डर पे सोई रहती पुलिस तो ऑल कूल है, मतलब हम आ गए हैं अब. So
I think it's because of the cold.
so dark and the time is 11:07 p.m. We have finally hit the mountain.
Yes.
Like literally after driving for so long. This is Ahmed who's still driving and he's driving perfectly, but the road is honestly I'm scared because it's too dark. and it's dense both the sides.
It's spooky.
It is, and it's dense both the sides. So,
Yes.
plus Ahmed is telling me stories about wildlife and
Witches and
and he also saw a wild cat, dead on the road. So guys, we'll just give you a quick update. The time right now is 12 a.m.
midnight.
And we are about 34 minutes away from our destination. It's too dark and the roads are really really curvy, and now my head is aching. I don't know about Ahmed.
It is.
It is?
A
Yeah.
little.
But yeah, that's about it. That was a quick update. Once we reach the destination, we will give you another update
Yes.
about how was our journey as a whole.
True.
And yeah, that's all. There you go.
Oh my god, you
I-
look like a bitch.
But this is a makeup removal. If you're
हाँ justify
making
मत
a
करो,
video.
पता नहीं क्या अपना असली रंग दिखा रही हो.
Girls, this is a magic makeup removal. इस travel vlog के साथ साथ मैं आपको makeup tip भी देना चाहती हूँ. If you put a lot of makeup, or if you do not put a lot of makeup, this is the easiest way to remove your makeup. It's like an oil-based, glycerin-based formula. So you just put it on your face, you rub it, and then all your makeup will come off with just a rinse of water. You don't need to apply soap.
ठंडा पानी लगा रही है.
I mean, तूने geyser on किया था ना?
नहीं, I didn't do that.
Girls also do not depend on boys.
Okay guys, so so today was a crazy day, and we came to the location now, and we are actually in the room, and hopefully tomorrow is going to be the shoot, and we have to head from Nainital to Ranikhet. That's the place, and I am miserably tired and going to go to sleep now in a couple of minutes. I believe when she's done, then I'm going to go to the toilet, freshen up, and get everything sorted, and then go to sleep. So because tomorrow is going to be a big day, and the time right now is this. It's 2:30, so almost 2:30 a.m. midnight, and we have to wake up approximately around, I think, 7 or close about to 6:30 or so. We want to leave early from here, and the distance from Nainital to Ranikhet is about 1.5 hours to 2 hours, depending on the traffic conditions and all those kind of things. So we want to leave from here quickly. It's just one night halt over here at this day because it's late traveling, we have road and everything, so it's kind of a little bit challenging. And we had a meal and everything, the dinner has been done, and now we should go to sleep quickly. So that's like it from today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys had a great time with Priyanka. We're gonna catch you guys now in the next episode, so please stay tuned. And if you guys aren't a part of the family yet, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Take care, bye bye, love, peace. Hey, hold on.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
क्या ठंडा था?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
सच में?
बहुत ज़्यादा. But is it removed? Like.
I have no clue. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि.
Are you?
I haven't seen your real face, so.
What do you mean by you haven't seen my real face? What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
Bye bye. Good night.